Hi everybody, my name is Petra McQueen and I am from the Writers Company, and today we're going to talk about limited third person point of view, or what is sometimes called close third person point of view. In this video I'm going to be talking about what it is and the advantages and the disadvantages for you as a writer. So what is it? So third person is when we use he, she or it in a sentence. So he went to the shops, she shuffled along the floor, etc. You can also use the word they, but only when it's somebody's personal pronoun, not when it refers to more than one person. So why is it called third person limited or third person close point of view? Well, that depends, as always, on the reader position. And if you want more information about reader position, please go to our overview point of view video. So reader position, in this case, in limited third person point of view, is when the reader sees what your main character sees, feels what your main character feels. They are inside your main character's head, or slightly to the side. So that's your decision to make, but they're very close to them. So that's what a limited third person is. So the advantages of doing that, like first person, which third person is very similar to, like third person, it's visceral. So you can really show what it is to be like that character. The reader finds out things the same time as the character, and also it's not quite as intense as a first person point of view. So it's a little bit more distance, it's a little bit easier for the reader to get into your book. Of course, this means on the flip side, there are also disadvantages. So the reader only knows what your character knows, like in first person. So you can't give extra information that they have no idea about. And it can be less experimental than first or omniscient third person point of view. So have a think about that when you're deciding how you want to write your work. But that's it really, that's all there is to it. So third person limited point of view is when you use he, she, it, or the personal pronoun they to describe what your character is doing, and the reader position is either inside your character or right next to your character. So as usual, as we recommend, have fun with this, try all these different point of views, and if you want any more tutorials, we've got a lot of them on point of view on our channel now. And please like this video, subscribe, drop us a comment, and if you'd like to go to our website and look at any of the courses or manuscript assessments or one-to-ones we've got to offer, that would be great as well. So thank you very much. That's all for third person limited point of view. Thank you.